We got it done now.
As you can see, we've delivered the goods. Now it's time to pay the piper.
It's time to divvy up now.
Cough it up. Cough it up.
Hey, it's lunch.
It's gonna be worth it.
Buy a few beers here, huh?
Nice. Good.
It'll be worth it.
Blood money! Yes, there is. Friends, the revolution has arrived. Tonight, we unite as one. The streets are ours! And tomorrow, we march to City Hall! Now, to our next order of business, Roland, the raffle.
Number 6.
Number 14.
Oh, hey, that's me! That's fucking me!
Wait a minute. What is it? What raffle? I didn't get a number.
That's because your number's up, Eggs.
Hey, look, pal. You can't be serious. You can't kill a city official.
You know what, Higgs? You know, why not make my final thoughts of you pleasant ones instead of telling me what I can and what I cannot do? Huh?
I'm a kid. I mean, I have a family, huh?
I got a kid.
Yeah, well, we're raffling them off tomorrow. Number 14.